Hi, welcome to this review of ThriveCart. I'm going to jump straight in now and get started. In this review, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the features of ThriveCart. We'll look at the pricing of ThriveCart. I will then go in and build a cart so you can see how quick it is. Finally, we'll look at the integrations. Right, so let's go. Features of ThriveCart. ThriveCart is constantly updating. Okay, there was over 300 updates last year. In my opinion, it's no longer just a cart. It's more a business center, and I'll show you why in a moment. Some of the things you get inside now are one-click bump offers, one-click upsells, embeddable carts, funnel builders, A/B testing, really good affiliate center. You can have JV partners, you've got webhooks, auto follow-up, so you hook ThriveCart into your email service provider. Autoresponder integrations, coupons, customer hub, detailed stats. I mean, very detailed stats, over 32 different stats you get. You can have discount URLs, dunning, which is if a payment fails, it will retry. If a credit card is due for renewal, it will email out and tell the client. Two-factor authentication and a two-step cart. That's just some of it. Right, so before we go any further, so I don't waste your time, I'm going to talk about the pricing of ThriveCart. If we look at ThriveCart's biggest competitor, which is Samcart, you will see you can pay $199 a month or $1,788 a year to get all the features that ThriveCart currently have included in a one-priced offer. That offer at the moment is $595. That is changing very soon. When it does, I'll have to update this video. For that $595, you get everything for a lifetime. Very soon, it's going to be a split option, a little bit like Samcart, where you have a standard and a pro, or a pro and a premium. Next, we have the dashboard. And the dashboard is pretty much the first place I go every day. With the dashboard, what you can do is you can display the stats that matter to you. Okay, there's 32 different stats you can have. Pick and choose as many as you want. As you can see at the bottom here, you can flip them over to see what those stats are. So if you're running a membership site, you want to know churn, you want to know annual lifetime value, how long customers are staying, right? You would have a dashboard created with those. Really flexible and incredibly useful. And this is one of the recent updates. Now let's go in and build a cart so you can see exactly how easy it is. So here we are in the products. You can see we've got products, upsells, downsells, A/B tests, coupons. Up here, you've got the products, which is the page we're on. That's the dashboard there. We have all the daily transactions, weekly transactions, all the transactions there. You've got details of all your subscriptions. You've got your affiliates and you've got your JV. And down here, we have got settings, which includes integrations, which we look at the end. Right, create a new product. You've got a choice now, digital or physical. Okay. With a physical product, you take the order, you can send it out. It will send it off to your fulfillment company or put it in a spreadsheet, and then you can mail it off to whoever's fulfilling your product or yourself, whatever. So we're going to do a digital product. Okay. So here we are for a digital product. I'm going to call it test product. You can be as descriptive as you want. Here I'm going to do test product. URL, you leave that test product, doesn't matter. You can have either disabled, test mode, or live. We're going to use this in test mode. Once you fill that out, you just click next. Pricing, US dollars. Okay, you can have one-time fee, subscription, whatever. If you have a subscription, it hooks in with a membership site. Same with split pay if you're doing it that way, or a pay your own price. So let's do a pay your own price for a change. Minimum price, $10. If they pay $10 or more, show thank you very much. We can add another message. Okay. Limited quantities. Yes, limit to 100. And then we're going to go next. So we've got pay your own price, $10. That's that. We're going to do tax, do it there. Customize your invoices, do it there. Set out of stock options, do it there. Doesn't matter. Next bump. Do you want a bump offer? If you do a bump offer, you have something like this where you can add a bump to the page. Actually, we're going to cancel this I'm not going to do a bump offer, but you can if you want. Those bump offers will appear on the checkout. Then we've got to set up processes. So I'm going to use Stripe, Authorized Net. No, I can't use Authorized Net. I don't have that set up. I'm going to use Google Pay. No, I'm not going to use Google Pay. I haven't got it set up for this product. There we go. And we go next. Do you want affiliates to promote this product? If you go yes, you've got commission percentage, 50%. You can have instantly, withhold percentage, after delay, instantly, pay out, 50%. Affiliate options, auto approve, yep, last cookie, first cookie, lifetime 7 days. This is when the cookie expires. Lifetime 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, 60 days, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. Affiliates must connect their yep and affiliate login. We aren't going to use affiliates, but you can do it just like that. So next, your support URL. Next is what happens after a purchase. Right, you can display the invoice, you can send them to a URL, you can add them to a membership site. I'm going to send them to a URL, and it's going to be okay, it's completely random, doesn't matter. Set an expiry date, we can expire after a week. Do you want to ship? No, we're not shipping at the moment. So now we can choose our different type of checkout. We have got a tool checkout, we have got a two-step checkout where they enter the details first, then click to pay. We can embed it or we can have a pop-up. I'm going to go with a tool checkout. And we go next. We get to customize it. We can add a header, guarantees, videos, box shots, checkbox, testimonials, bullet points, all different bits and pieces. Okay, change the colors, etc. Different languages there. And there you go. We've got now success page, and when it's complete, we can either show the success page or redirect to a custom page. Okay, I'm going to redirect to my custom page, which I set up earlier. Next, we've got tracking. Do you want to add tracking code? Add lots of different tracking here. Next, we have behavior. So behavior basically is what's going to happen when things get purchased. So we go here and we've got when a product is purchased, when it's refunded, when a cart's abandoned, when a payment is declined. Okay, what do you want to do next? Do you want to add them to a email sequence? Then you can start an automation to follow up. You can tag them. You can add them to a list. Really, really flexible. So we're going to save that. We click Save and Get URL. There we go. Okay, I've now got a URL. If I copy that, right, add it here. There's my cart. Okay. Obviously, this is in test mode, and I would edit it. So really, that's that part. As I said here, we have a really good affiliate program. Okay, you can have payments, affiliates, details, product options, rules, what happens when an affiliate signs up. You can add JV partners. Okay, we've got here settings. Okay, so what you've got managed dunning. Okay, do you want to enable dunning emails? You can have ThriveCart's emails, or you can use your own emails. Set them up as you want. Go back. We've got integrations. Okay, payment gateways, Authorized Net, PayPal, Stripe, autoresponders, more than you can shake a stick at. Pretty much every decent autoresponder is in there. Membership platforms, Digital Access Pass, Member Mouse, Member Press, Optimized Press, Teachable, Wishlist, and Active Member 360, which is what I use, and that is triggered by tags, so you don't even need to hook it in. You just trigger a tag when someone purchases. Fulfillment services. If you're doing physical products, disc.com, add it to Google Sheets, Kunaki, Lulu, Printful, Shippo, ShipStation, Shopify, Vivante, and Zapier. So you can use Zapier to actually add it to, or Zapier to add it to loads of other services. We've got a webinar platform. I think it's just Demio at the moment. Notifications orders, what really want to happen when things happen. So for example, looking there, your Google Sheets, Slack or Zapier, you can use there to do all that. These are the apps you have connected. That is it. Down below, you'll find a link to a full written review I've done, which goes a little bit deeper into what happens with it. You'll also find a link to go to ThriveCart. If you want to buy, I offer a really good bonus where you jump on a call with me and I'll spend an hour going through it with you and helping you to set it up, get everything working, and I'll show you a few tips and tricks. Okay, thanks for watching the review. See you later. Bye.